So, oh, 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 oh. Hey, I'm just here with a quick little highlighting and contouring tutorial. Nothing too major, but I'm gonna be using these two products. This is e.l.f. and Tan Sand and L'Oreal Full Wear and Chestnut. Do some highlight and contour. But yeah, I'm getting dimples now. It's weird. Like, but I'm just gonna show y'all the process of how I contour. Give my face like that lifted look. And I'm currently live on my YouTube right now, and it's so funny because one, they have some type of restriction where you can't go live within 24 hours on your phone or whatnot, but you will go live on a laptop. So I'm just trying to figure out, like, is that's just the norm? But this is the high points of my face that I like to contour and highlight. I like to take a sponge. I have used the sponge already, but I'm not like one of those people who be feeling like gotta have a new blender, new sponge, everything. You don't. You really don't. And so let's doing this right now. Ah, look at that. Instantly lifts my eye shape. Give us that lifted nose, like. Because the thing about makeup is all about creating an illusion or focus that we're doing. You see right now? And now that I might go back in with some more highlighter, but as of right now, this is shape my face now. Give my face that chiseled look. Going on my nose. I normally don't cream contour. I'm not gonna lie. I don't cream contour often. But when I do, we give rhinoplasties. Eyelids. All of it. Okay, so because right now your girl looking real healthy, okay? So a little bit more than normal, but it's okay. It's okay though. It's for a good cause and a good purpose for why I'm healthy right now. So I'm not complaining. Just look at that. Yes. I'm really rough with my skin. And I don't know if it's just that. I just know, like, stimulation is good for the face. So I just be like, whatever. But you gonna be gentle. Have a gentle mental, you know? So Taylor Viewer for posting me on your shorts. Thank you for that. Ooh. And now that I've did the contour, I'm gonna go over again and just make sure I clean up the contour that I just laid down. So you're welcome. You know. That's just so. And I'm just gonna take. I love Morphe brushes. Y'all know how I feel about my gold hair brushes. I'm just gonna take this and just blend out with this so we can have more precise highlight from what we started with, and then smudge. And I'm gonna go over with a foundation powder. So I've been live for 22 minutes. Thank you for not booting me off the internet. But okay. I'm trying to adjust this lighting so y'all can see. Okay. That's way better lighting. Okay. So, not that bright. Damn, I need a focuser or something. But it really sucks that I can't go live on YouTube on my phone. They talking about you gotta be 24 hours. I'm just like, whatever. I'm alive. Let me go live YouTube. Like, but yeah. Highlight, contour. We can't forget that forehead. But yes, I am makeup artist. Mwah. On Instagram. MUA9. So, hi. Let me show y'all this. This is real time. Y'all can't see with all my ring lights, but I'm on live right now. But as I casually pull up my shirt, but okay. And then to set the highlight, I'm gonna blend both the white and the yellow tone from my James Charles palette. Now y'all, my OG subscribers know how I feel. And yes, I did buy the palette. I had the large palette, so then I misplaced the large palette. So I went and bought the mini one. I don't have nothing against them, but something in my heart telling me not to like them. You know what I'm saying? And so I like Morphe. Like, that's all I can say. It's like, I like Morphe. So I'm gonna take those two shades out the palette and just set all the points and highest points on my face. And these are really like great as face powders. Not gonna lie about it. Quite pissed off about it, but hey, one day people might feel the same about my dumb ass, and I'm gonna be like, you're right. But I just been like, And ain't gonna come for me if I ain't sent for you. So, oh, 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 okay. Next, I'm gonna take a big fluffy powder brush. I'm just gonna take a flesh tone color and just set my face, and I might even go over with some contour, but I don't want to. Oops. Okay, let God keep his hands on you, okay? So, got this nice ass palette. This is from the Cara palette. And I'm just going to swirl these shades so I get like a nice bronze look. I saw my kitten think he my man. And when I be getting dressed up in that light, in a minute he gonna try to come snatch my camera. But yeah, I'm just gonna set the contour, go around the perimeters of my face, just like that. And now that we're set, we're baked. Let me do these lips. Y'all already know I be going hard over my lips, you know. These $1 million lips right here. Mark my words. Okay. Okay. I'll take my lip liner. This is my lip liner in Ritzy. It's gonna like it's not my lip pencil, it's my lips right now. I need to keep these bad boys hydrated. I like to use these lip oils, but like that, and then I'm gonna do a cute little combo today. I am who I am, and I love who I'm becoming. I'm just gonna take that like that. Gonna let that set in and try to. And y'all be coming for me. I know y'all be coming for me. I be pulling my hair back, doing all that. Because look, not only do I be dedicated to this, but this is my life. Okay. So let's blend out some of this under my eye. But yeah, definitely ask me some questions and stuff. I'm not hard to keep in contact with. I be capping. I'm not hard to keep in contact with, but y'all can ask me questions and stuff like that. No cap, you know. I'm gonna take this. Lip glosses are just really pretty, like shimmery. I'm getting dimples now. That's weird. Like my face is changing, my features are changing. Like I know that it was gonna happen, but like I didn't know it would happen like this. Like don't want to throw on some eyeshadow. Okay, so analyze this look, I've decided that I want to throw a wash of color. You know what I mean. So I'm just going to do it's so nudes on my favorite. Just gonna take this color sheet. Let's get it all on my brush and just plop it in there. I know it's there. Okay. Well, what's up with y'all? I know y'all watching. I know y'all talking shit. But yeah, this is my everyday highlighting contour. Simple, sultry, muted eyebrow, Ritzy lip liner on the lips with MAC and Virgo topper. I'm just feeling real sensual, like. But hey, I got one like on my live. I'm gonna do this more often. I finally figured out how to adjust my camera setting so y'all can like really see my complexion, because I know I sometimes like the camera just make you look like, you know, kind of ashy and stuff like that, but I really be popping, you know. I think I might smoke on my under eye. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna smoke my under eye. I'm gonna take tea in the palette and just make my brown eyes pop. Like, my eyes are unmatched. Like, they're like pools of honey. Yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in. I am Anai Nayo on YouTube and MUA9 on social media, and Creole Creations Cosmetics is my business page.